Okay, good morning. Answer to your attendance. Asta,
Yes, ma'am.
Abhinav, Aishwarya,
Present, ma'am.
Amresh,
Yes, ma'am.
Anu, Arbaz, Arjun, Ashok, Benita.
Present, ma'am.
Why so many people are absent? Bhargavi,
Present.
Bhavishya,
Present, ma'am.
Chaitra,
Present, ma'am.
Deb,
Present, ma'am.
Debmalai, Diksha,
Present, ma'am.
Deepika,
Present, ma'am.
Deepika MB,
Present, ma'am.
Murli Krishna,
Present, ma'am.
Gangubai,
Present, ma'am.
Budia,
Present, ma'am.
Harshit,
Present, ma'am.
Junjar, Kavya,
Present, ma'am.
Kishore,
Present, ma'am.
Lata,
Yes, ma'am.
Manisha, Manjunath,
Yes, ma'am.
Nayana,
Present, ma'am.
Nilanjan,
Yes, ma'am.
Nishant, Pavitra,
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Maithili,
Present, ma'am.
Priyanka,
Present, ma'am.
Pavan,
Present, ma'am.
Akash,
Present, ma'am.
Rajeshwari,
Present, ma'am.
Rakesh,
Present, ma'am.
Ramya,
Present, ma'am.
Rashmi,
Present, ma'am.
Ravi, Rizwan,
Present, ma'am.
Vishal,
Present, ma'am.
Savita,
Yes, ma'am.
Shruti, Sneha, Spurti, Srinidhi,
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am. I'm Srinidhi present.
yeah, Srinivas,
Present, ma'am.
Sunil,
Present, ma'am.
Vaishnavi,
Present, ma'am.
Vinny.
Present, ma'am.
Anybody late comer, late joining?
Ma'am, Arjun, ma'am.
Arjun. Arjun, Chunjar. Yeah, then anybody else who have joined late? Abhinav, Amresh,
Ma'am, Amrish present, ma'am.
Arbaz, Ashok, Debmalai, Manisha, Nilanjan, Nishant, Nilanjan marked, Nishant, Shruti, Sneha. Okay. So to
Ma'am, Amrish.
yeah, marked Amrish. Amrish marked. Yeah, today in the last lab, fifth program was incomplete. So I just want to complete the fifth program today so that your lab programs will be completed. So in the last lab, so I have just, because why I want to do the fifth program again is, we have not done with the delete thing. So I just want to show you how the delete will work out. Then again I will redo with the fifth one. Because there was a problem with the fifth thing. Why? Because I have so many programs in my laptop, because even IS lab also I'm handling. So that program and this program are getting merged. So that's the reason I just want to once delete all the tables what I have created. Okay, so before that, I just want What's the delete command? How is the delete command working? Delete syntax. Delete from table. Yes, how is the syntax? Can anyone say? How is the syntax for the delete? Delete table. Is this fine? Yes, anyone? Okay. Can anyone say why this is, what's the problem here?
Ma'am, screen console.
Screen cancel. Okay. Oh, present
Yes,
Madila. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Can anyone say what's the problem here? That's the problem here. The delete option. What is my thing is I just want to delete fifth program and redo the program again, because in the last lab third stored procedure was not executed, but now I want to execute all five. So before that I just want to practice with the delete. Okay, now I have started deleting. See how many values we have, how many tables we have in the fifth program. Constituency, party, candidate, content, voter are the tables which we have in this fifth program. Now I am deleting constituency. When I am deleting constituency, I am getting this problem. Can anyone say what is this problem? Integrity constraint problem. Why it is? Yes, can anyone? Anybody tried with deleting your programs, then redoing it if your queries are not executed? Yes or no? Can anyone? Until unless you answer, I will not go further. Okay, so what's the problem here is because we have in all the tables primary keys as well as foreign keys. So that's the reason always when you want to delete from the lower end. So now start deleting from the outer, because the outer is the last table which we have created. So then delete from outer. You can see 8 rows are deleted. Okay, now your table will be deleted, or your now what the only the values in the table is deleted. What was the values in the outer are deleted, but still the table is present. So to delete the table, what I have to do? Drop table outer. Yes. So now you can see table drop. This is how we have to delete the tables. First, you go deletion with the lower end. Lower end means what? Because we cannot delete from the top, because those are already there. So let me see, select star from, what is this, contest. So how many rows are there? 3 rows are already there in the table. First I have to delete this, delete table, delete from. So syntax you have to remember, delete from contest. So the rows deleted. Now the values, only values are deleted. Now I have to drop the table, contest. So table is dropped. So second table I have dropped. And now I'll drop the third table. Before dropping, what I have to do, what are the values in this, I just want to see. So see this, how many are there? 2 values are there. So now I will delete the candidate table. You can see two are deleted. Now I want to drop the table. Table is dropped. Okay. So now how many tables we have dropped? We have dropped voter, content, candidate. Now let us drop party. Then before that, I just want to select and see what are the values in the party. So 2 rows are there. So when I have 2 rows, I just want to delete first the values into the party table. So 2 rows deleted, then drop the table. So I have dropped. So now I have dropped 1, 2, 3, 4, and now constituency. Now what I'll do, I want to check what are the values in the constituency. Now I will delete the constituency. So you can check when I have deleted in the beginning, the constituency, it was giving integrity constraint because the links will be there in your table. Primary key and foreign keys links will be there. That's the reason you cannot delete from the top. You start deleting from the bottom. Okay. So then I have deleted the table. Now I will drop even the constituency. So now what we have done, we have dropped all the tables. Constituency, any table left over? Let us see. No, I think all tables are dropped. Voter we have dropped, contestant dropped, candidate, party, and all tables have been dropped. So now let us redo the same program again. Okay, so now what I'll do, I'll just create the same tables again and again. Now table is created. Which table? Constituency table is created. So then I will create party table. Yes, party table is created. Then I'll create candidate table. Then I will create contestant table. Sorry, shit. Got closed. Okay, so now how many tables we have created? We have created with the tables we have created. I just want to know whether the tables are saved or not. So to do that, describe CONSTITUENCY. I want to know whether the tables are present or not because just now it got logged off. So describe, one more is constituency over party. Yes, it is there. Then one more candidate. It's there. We have done. Now we'll do with the contestants. The contestant was created. Let's create one more table. Contestant. Yeah, it's table created. Then the last one, voter. Yes. So now it is created. Now I just want to insert values into the constituency. One minute. Give me 1 minute. I just want to know what data I have to insert. So I'm just opening the data values. That's it. What I'm doing is I'm just taking the values what I have to insert into the table. Okay. So here now I just want to know what values I have to insert into the constituency, right? Constituency, I'm just inserting constituency 111, constituency name, some name we can give, Rajal. Okay, something. Then state, constituency state Karnataka. Number of voters, let us first take it as 4. Okay, one row created. Let me insert one more. 222 from Yelahanka. Then state, Yelahanka, state, let us make it different. Kerala. Voters 1. Let us insert one more. 333. Constituency name, Coimbatore. Tamil Nadu. How many voters? 2. Okay, let me insert one more. 444. Kurnool. State, Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh. Voters 2. Okay. So now let me see how many values I have inserted into. Select star from constituency, CONSTITUENCY. Yeah, so 4 values are inserted. Okay, so next one I want to insert into party. What happened? Oh, I is not there. So party ID, we just want to insert party ID, some ideas, 876, party name, BGP, party symbol, lotus, created. Let me insert one more, Congress, then symbol, hand is created. Let me create one more, 878, party name, Janata Dal. Janata, JDS will give, right? JDS. Symbol, farmer, for a beer. Okay, one more, 879. Aam Aadmi Party, what is that? AA, Aam Aadmi Party, something. Okay, symbol, what is the symbol? Some XYZ symbol. Okay, so now we let us see whether we have inserted all into a party. Okay, so inserted. So next, let us insert into the candidate. Candidate 121, phone number, age, state, name, some Asha, some name, ID 876. Okay, let me insert one more, 121, phone number, then age, then 40, state, Andhra Pradesh or Kerala. Kerala. Name, ID, constituency ID. What is that? 877. Yeah, so let me insert one more. 3, phone number, age, state. Tamil Nadu was there, right? In our thing, Tamil Nadu. Name, then constituency ID was 878. Okay, now this is done. And select star from, what is the table name? Candidate, CANDIDATS. So these values are inserted. Next, come back to contestant. One. Candidate. Yeah. 10, 222, 121, 122. Constituency 333. Candidate 123, 122, 124 was there. No, so 124 is not there in our thing. So 121, no. 222, 121, yes. Okay, so now select star from contestant, CONTEST. Yeah, so these values are inserted. Now come back. Now let us insert voter ID 345, name, some name, age, address, Yelahanka. Constituency, we have to remember these constituency names and names. Okay. Voter ID 346, some name, age, address, Mysore, constituency we've taken 111, candidate 121. Yeah, let us insert one more. Voter ID 348, name, some name, age, then address, Bangalore, constituency 333 is there in our table, then 222 is there. Yes. Last one, let us insert 409, name, age, address, Hubballi, constituency 333, candidate 122. Okay, so now select star from voter. Yeah, it is done. Okay, so now what was the first query says to us? Select the candidate names. So that's what we have done with the first query. What is the second query? How many state constituencies? These are the 4 constituencies: Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Just we have inserted. Okay. So the third one was creating the procedures. Yes. So create the procedure. Yeah, you can see the procedure is created. Then what we have to do? We have to check whether the procedure is, for that what is the first way? AXE, age, checking and check 24, 21. The value is what we have given in that procedure. Yes. So what is the value we have given? ID number and age. So ID we have given something, and age it should be greater than 18. So you can see procedure successfully completed. And let us go back and check. This is how the procedure is completed. The third one and fourth one. Let us see. Fourth one. Before that, let me execute for lesser value. EXE, because age checking. Let me execute the same thing. Yeah, age checking. Age should be, if it is less than voter ID 10, then what it should do? Yes, so the procedure just it is taking, but we should check whether it is working fine or not. So then fourth query, the procedure created. What is there in the fourth query? So whether we are able to insert, I want to know how many are counting, display the count. So 111 is there. So then let us check back and see whether we can insert one more. Before that, let me see. Select star from voter. Voter is a table, voters. Sorry, I think voter. Yeah, how many values are there? 349 is also there. So now 349 instead of 349, I'll give 350 because 349 is there already. Let me insert. Yeah, one row is inserted. So then what is the first last one? Yeah. Now inserted, then select voter. So you can see 350 is inserted. So now again execute this 111. How many people are there in 111 thing? Voter. Where is 111? We can see, go back and check. Oh, 111. What is 111? It's a constituency ID. What is constituency ID? Where that constituency ID comes to us? Constituency ID, how many voters were there? 4. Yes? So now come back, see down, check out. Okay. And this is how the procedure successfully completed. That's how you can see the value is been working. Fourth program, right? Anything is left in that? Only 4, and last fifth one was working. Triggers, I have just showed you even the triggers also, right? So triggers also executed. Before that, let me. Yeah, because that was a problem. Sorry. Yeah, so trigger was created. So that's how all 5 programs, all 5 queries are executed from your thing. What was the fifth one? The fifth one, trigger constituency. select the constituency. Then we have inserted 350 and we can see that this voters was changed. This was a trigger, inserted 350 was already there. Let us make it 351. Then insert into the voter. One row is inserted. Then let us select the constituency. Check how many was there. You can see here. Earlier it was 4, now it is 5. That's how the trigger is inserted one more value into the constituency 111. So that's what 111, 111. You can say in this insert into voters value 351 we have inserted some name, age was there, place, and for which constituency 111. Before it was 4, now it is 5. So that's how all 5 queries has been executed. .350 is inserted and constituency. Okay. That's about your 5th program. And this is your ER diagram for the 5th one. How many tables we have? We have constituency, candidate, voter, party, and contestant. So now all the programs, all queries executed. This even stored procedures also executed. So what will be the problem? What you will be facing the problem with your procedures is see to that you don't have same tables with the same name, because here in procedure and triggers we are just replacing. Sometimes what will happen is you may have 3 rows in one table but you are fetching only 2. So these problems will be there when you are inserting. Try to avoid all those, then all the things will be executed. Then this is what the year diagram, schema diagram for your 5th program, and the year diagram for your 5th program. So in the candidate, what are the values we have? Candidate table, we have age, candidate ID, name, phone number, and state. Then party name, party ID, party symbol we have. Then voter, we have voter ID, voter name, and age. Then constituency, we have constituency name, state, number of voters, and constituency ID. Then voter is there, but here voter ID is linked to candidate and the voter. So that's the reason it is a identity entity. So then it is linked between these two. In the same way, contest is also linked between a candidate and a constituency. So rest of them, just to connect all the entities we have used belongs to. So that's how your 5th program is completed. So in the last class, because issues were there with the procedures, so now I have to write even the execution of the procedures. So if you want me to execute again, I will execute 3rd and 4th procedures again and again. So how to execute them? So how to execute? Copy and paste, end with / your procedure will be created. There are 2 ways of executing the procedures. You have either you can use exe. What is a procedure name? In our case, it is a age checking. And what are the values we have given? ID, some ID. Then what is the age? Age should be greater than 18. Give some age greater than 18. So then you can see the procedure. Okay, some problem with line number 5. What happened? Procedure age ID. Just now, check with the spellings AGECHECKING. Begin, end. Line number 5. Insert into voter. There is a problem. Values and 1 second. Let me paste again. Maybe sometimes it will be the problem. Okay. Alt V. Okay. So procedure is created. Execute. What I'll do, I'll just copy the exact thing, because we do make mistakes with the spellings. Then So that's what just now I showed. The same way, once it is executed, again it will take a problem. Line number 5. What is the problem here? System.check age checking line 5. So that's the reason once you delete all, re-execute, definitely you'll get it. Or else we'll get a unique constraint. So unique constraint because 24 is already there. Okay, let me execute one more, giving with some other value. This is one way, or we can give begin age checking, age CHECKAING 26, 21. Then end. Yes. So this is one more because that 24 already was present. So I am again using the same number. So it was not working. This is another way. Or let me execute the same thing again. Age checking. CHECKING. So now let me give 27 and 10. Yes, so it's working. Why? Because don't give the same voter ID here because the ID should be different. So I was giving the same ID 24 again and again. So 24 was already there. I was giving, so that was a problem here. So change the IDs, then definitely it will execute. So this is about your third query. And the fourth query and fourth procedure. So what we are doing in this procedure is display the count. I want to count how many voters are there in each constituency. Yes. So how many are there? Let us see. Select star from constituency. Copy the table name. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. And in Rajajin, Karnataka 5, Kerala 1, 2, Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Now what we'll do is we will insert into some other. Let me execute exe constituency. Oh no. What is our procedure name? Procedure name is display count. I just want to don't take chance because I will copy this because we tend to do spelling mistakes when we are typing. So now 222. Yes, 222 is also there. Yes, how many are there in that number of voters are 1. So let us insert one more. Let me insert 351 was already there. 352. Into which constituency? Now I want to insert into what is the constituency in 222. Okay. Now I will insert. Okay, it is executed. Then execute and check. You can see here the Kerala 222 was present in the Kerala. So two contestants are there. Earlier in Kerala it was 1. Now it is 2. Like this we can insert any number of candidate for a particular constituency. Now let us insert into 333. So what is 333? 333 something else and candidate 33. And one row is created. Then you can see 3 is inserted. So that's how your the 5th program completes. Any doubts regarding this? Any doubts? Anybody? Only 32. Where are others? See, they don't want to listen also. Huh? Okay. So I will take break and come back after break. Any doubts now? You can ask me. Any doubt? Any doubts? Please ask me any doubts. Any doubts in the 5th program? I'll send this 5th program in your GCR maybe in 1 or 2 days. Any doubts you can ask me.